and girls. Today we're going to talk about what double facts are. Turn in your math workbook to page 143. Press pause, press play when you're ready. Okay, is everybody on page 143? All right. Listen as I read the problem, and then I want you to draw a picture to show what I just told you. Sal built 2 towers. Each tower has 4 cubes. How many cubes does Sal use to build both towers? So I'm going to build his first tower. As I build his first tower, I want you to draw his first tower. So he used 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have his first tower. He built another tower that had 4 cubes. I'm going to build that tower right next to the first tower that I built. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I have my 2 towers. If you haven't had a chance to draw your 2 towers, press pause, draw your 2 towers, then press play. All right, do you have your 2 towers? Excellent. Let's look at what our number sentence, our addition number sentence would be. Well, we have 4 blocks in this tower, so we would start with the number 4. And we have 4 blocks in this tower, so we would write the number 4. So we have 4 plus 4 equals something. So doubles facts, boys and girls, are when we use the same number for both of our additives. So 4 plus 4 is a doubles fact because both of the additives are the same number. Well, what is 4 plus 4? Let's solve to figure out. I know I have 4 in this tower, so I don't need to count those 4 again. I already have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Excellent. All right, we're going to keep working together to solve doubles problems. Remember, doubles facts are problems that have the same number for both of your additives. All right, turn the page to page 144. Okay. It says, why are these doubles facts? Write the second sum. All right, so they drew the picture for us to trace. So we have 1 plus 1. Let's trace over that first cube. And now let's trace over the second cube. So 1 plus 1 is, that's right, it's 2. Why is that a doubles fact? Yes, it's a doubles fact because both of the additives are the same number. All right, let's look at the next one. We have 2 plus 2. So I'm going to draw my 2 blocks, and then I'm going to draw 2 more blocks, and now I'm going to add them. Well, I don't need to count these blocks because I know I have 2. I can just count on 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So doubles, boys and girls, are two additives that are the same. So 5 plus 5 equals 10 is a doubles fact because both of the additives are the same. All right, I want you to continue to complete page 144. Do problems 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want you to draw me a picture to show me your towers and how it's a doubles fact because both of the additives are the same. Make sure you draw that picture. When I come around to check if you had it, I will ask you to go back and do that. Then turn to page 145, and I want you to complete 5, 6, 7, and 8 through 13. So that's the whole page. After you have finished that, go back to your playlist and work on your other tasks. I will be having you come to the rug to do some other work with me in just a little bit. Work hard, make sure you draw your pictures, and I will see you in a little bit on the rug.